Connie from up north here. Welcome to my channel if you're new. And if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, happy to have you as part of my tribe. Welcome back. So today, what we're going to talk about is when I go out into the woods and I'm trying to gather up maple syrup, and soon it'll be birch syrup, it's really hard to do that and have your camera in one hand and be trying to film and gathering the sap. I knew I needed something. I knew I needed one of those action cameras. That would do me good. But I didn't know where to start because I'm not computer suave. I'm not technically suave. So I started looking at cameras, and then I looked at the reviews, and one in my price range. GoPro is just a little bit too pricey for me right now. So I decided to go with the camera that I found that had good reviews, that had the abilities of what I needed for the price that I needed. You know me, frugal. So this is the camera I found. This is the Campark UHD 4K action camera with external microphone. So that's what the packaging looks like. And then to go along with that, I don't know about this, so if you could give me some tips or pointers. Here's my card that came along with it. I bought it as a bundle. I figured they'd know the good ones that would go with it, so that's why I purchased this as a bundle, because I was pretty clueless. I'll pick this up as I'll pick up more as I get to using it, but for now, this is a good starter set. And then I also ordered the accessory pack. Well, that was in with the bundle. The accessory pack came with it. So it was these 3 items right here for $106. That was a good deal. This one has a lot of the same features that the GoPro has. Maybe the picture wasn't as clear, but I liked it. I thought it was fine for me. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this will work. So why don't we dive into this and see what I got? What all came along with this. Put this over here out of my way. So we're going to go ahead and open this box. Oh, there we go. All right. When you look inside, there's the camera. It looks like 2 batteries. 2 batteries right there on top. And there's the literature. So, oh, this is handy. On the very first page, accessory introduction. So that gives you a little bit of information, because I don't know what these are. This is totally new to me, but I'm willing to learn to make it easier. So yeah, this tells what the accessories are and everything. So I might need to refer back to that. Let's keep that here. So like I said, there's 2 batteries. That's handy. Have 1 battery ready to go, charged up, and 1 battery in the camera. That'll work. And here it is. Whoa! Now, it's not just going after maple syrup that I'm going to take you on little adventures. I'm going to be by the water and in the boat and maybe right in the water. So it's handy that this is waterproof. I like that. And not that I'm going to be doing any diving, but it's good to go diving underwater and take diving shots too. I don't think we'll be seeing that on my channel. Not on purpose. So in this, it comes with a little box here. What's in here? Wow, lots of goodies that I have no idea what it is. Wow. Wow. I'm so confused right now. Oh, well, I know what this is. It's one of those things that you use to wipe your glasses off so you can clean your camera lens, I'm sure. It's the only thing I'm familiar with. That's funny. So hopefully this camera works out for the complete novice, because that's what I am. And I'm going to run this through the test. So I can tell what this is because I'm a musician. This looks like my external microphone right there. So it comes with an external microphone. And then it's got all kinds of like, let's see. Like I've got my four-wheeler where I could somehow figure out a way to strap that onto the four-wheeler for going out in the woods. Oh, look. It looks like a, oh, do you know what this is? This is cool. I'm excited right now. A remote control. Well, not so much a remote, but an external control to turn the camera off and on just on my wrist by touching it. So that's awesome. That's going to be handy. It looks like some sort of case to keep the camera safe, so that's nice. Some kind of a housing. Straps to strap the camera on. Lots of good stuff. All right, I'll have to figure these pieces out, and as we go, as I record with this, I'll tell you what I'm using and what that accessory is. So let's get into the other bag. So I looked in the book, and there's like bicycle mounts. There's mounts to mount it to my four-wheeler from the right side, from the left side. Keep the camera safe. And then there's safety tethers, the adhesive pads. Some of these things I'm not really sure what it's for, but I'll find out. So I just wanted to show you that. All right, let's jump into the accessory bag. Before we jump into the accessory bag, I want to show you, this camera is supposed to have like a little touch screen in the back. That's where you can see the screen. So after I get it all charged up, we'll have to check that all out. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited. Here's the accessories. We'll open this up. Looks like a bunch of stuff, eh? Oh, wow. Wow. Already I'm seeing some very cool stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. So this looks like a selfie stick of some kind. And then, handy little bag. What are these? More mounts. I have more mounts to, you know how plastic is. Sometimes you bust one. It's good to have some backup, so I'm glad that I ordered that accessory bag. Yeah, different ones. All different kinds of mounts. Great, great. And it comes in this handy little bag to keep everything together. Yeah, I've got some more, I just figured out a use for some of those Ipsy Glam Bag Plus drawstring bags. So what else do we have here? This is a curious looking accessory here. Looks like some kind of a flotation deal. I will definitely have to check this out and look this up because I'm not really sure. but it is this a flotation device where in case your camera falls and then it's like and you're in the water, then it'll keep your camera somewhere like a little buoy. I'm not sure, but if that's not what it is at all. I think I should have done more research. But you know, that it's a good test because I'm a complete novice. The only thing I've ever used before in my life for a camera was those little instant cameras back when you had to go get film developed, and then my cell phone. So this is completely new to me. So we'll see how user-friendly it is just for somebody that's just getting going. Now this, oh boy, I'm excited for this. I wish I had one of these for my phone where I could just take my phone and I could be like talking on the phone when I'm driving. I need to get one of those, but this is handy. This is for my action camera. I'm sure I'll find a lot of use for this. And it's got all kinds of adjustments on here to adjust that and lock it down, whatever you need to. Liking that. And then let's see what else we've got here. I get excited when I can tell when something is, what it is. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at this. Is this the head thing? Now, I don't want to put it on my head if it's not the head thing, but I think it is. You put that on there, and then you put your camera on. And on a helmet or on your head, I don't know. I hope that's what it's for. If not, it'd be funny as heck. Anyway, hope that's what it is. I'm pretty sure it is. But where you can... put your camera on your head and go out and you can walk around and do whatever you want and talk. That'll be nice. And then some type of a little strap with some Velcro. Not sure. Gonna have to look that up. And some more fittings. And then oh, I think I know what this one is. I'm really happy. Can you tell? I'm very excited. Now, I'm so technically unsuave that I won't even be able to use this today because I'll have to wait. Oh, wow. Well, I guess I should have told him I was a size large. But look at this. This will wrap around, then I can just get out there, put this on, strap my camera onto the front of that and get going. So that's the pieces that I got to my camera, and that's everything I got. I'm very excited to go out and try this out. I want to do a video where I'm comparing what my camera looks like on my phone to what my new camera looks like. So I'm very excited. It's supposed to have Wi-Fi and all that, so once I get it up and running and get all the batteries charged, we'll try that out. But until then, you saw what I got. I'll see you later. See you soon.